So hi guys, and welcome to the vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while. I should have started vlogging at the beginning of this week, but I forgot. You know when you're like in a rush, I'm always late to places first though. So the last thing I'm gonna remember is the camera. Like my keys, my phone, my lip gloss, my purse. The camera is not in my mind until I get there. I'm like, oh, I should have bought the camera. So today I'm going to start vlogging. I'm not late, but I'm late for the time that we planned. But I just FaceTimed Naomi and she's even later than I am. I had to go for brunch at 11:30. I FaceTimed her at 12. Like my outfit was on, like boots were on. FaceTimed her. She didn't have a wig on. She was baking. So I'm like, let me just sit back. So that's why I'm vlogging now. I'm gonna try and vlog in the car. I don't know how that's gonna work. I do have like one of the phone mounts, but I don't know if the phone mount's gonna fit the camera. I'm supposed to be in a diet, but I'm going for pancakes and hot chocolate. This is why I can't lose weight, mates.
I've got the dry clean items. Oh fuck.
You're stupid.
I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I was thinking of wearing my graduation dress.
That's a nice dress.
But that's not washed. And my
legs are stubbly and my wax isn't due until next week.
This is Naomi, guys.
Oh, you started filming, right? I hate you. Hi guys. This is all your fault.
So many hours ago.
This is all your fault.
What?
This is all your fault. Because if you didn't tell me
What?
that you're not going to be ready for 11:30, then I wouldn't have
I got ready for 12.
went to. This thing is in my way.
Take it off. I don't
Just
know. Yeah.
I rushed my makeup because of you.
Naomi, you had a very long time. I'm leaving the car.
That's fine. Let's pop it to the prime up there or something. What time did you book it? What time did you book this thing? 3?
Yeah.
No, let's go. It's fine. I'm just a stupid girl.
What did you forget?
I didn't forget anything. I probably did forget something, but I'm really trying to think about that right now. So Andrea and I are on our way to go get some brunch. I don't like my lip colour. Well, I need some brown lip liner. Like I wore different. This is not cute.
I can't find where I put my brown. I know it's in one of my bags.
Yeah, mine's in one of my bags, but I just can't find it.
Hi guys. Took her 5 hours to come out the house.
5 hours?
Yeah, it did. Thank you. I need to put.
I don't think actually so it's not gonna take me long. Is it?
If you prefer to stay on the current route, tap no thanks.
Even Google is tired of your rubbish.
You shut your mouth.
Where's your phone? So basically guys, you guys may not know, but Andrew tried to kill me.
I didn't try to kill.
She didn't get her pictures today. So do you know what this witch did?
I'm
She
livid.
took her bag, throwing attention, she took her bag, yeah, and swung it around and it hit me in the face. I'm going to the hospital. Do you have anything to say before I take you to court? Yeah, move like a snake in court. That's fine. Practice for now. I'll save those moves for jail. Because I'm taking her to court. Just thought I'd let you guys know. This your famous YouTuber here is a murderer.
Everybody eats, you just don't keep receipts. I'ma just press delete. Always 10 toes like beats. Give me some built-in beats.
Guys, I'm just getting Krispy Kremes.
Oh, shut up. Oh.
You went past the menu thing.
Oh, did you want to see the menu?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Is there somebody behind me?
How do you know the menu off by heart?
I just know I'm getting a caramel milkshake.
It's the show.
Oh, shut up.
Someone that's on a diet.
We have a mukbang.
We're having a mukbang in the car, guys.
It's in the bag. Okay.
Oh, it's in the bag. Fucking.
Oh my gosh.
I had to put my-
Seafood boil.
My bun.
And then I also got chips.
What did you get in yours?
Prawn. And then I got sweet corn. feel like I should have got potatoes
I got
as well.
chips. Oh, my bag is full. I can fill the box already.
I've got hella food in it.
How's your food?
Spicy. Chips are spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me try the prawns. I know me, I like prawns.
No. I'll come to try mine then. Hey.
The sweet one. Andrew. It's making a lot of sense still. And everything. Hey, this is nice.
This is actually really nice. Guys, this
Someone
is the aftermath.
screenshotted.
Oh my gosh, I'm so full up. Harriet, how was it?
I'm coming in again.
I even look tired. How do I look tired?
I look tired. No,
Tired.
it was a strong fight.
Naomi, why are we always moving when we go out to eat? I'm with the birthday girl. Hi guys. Look how pretty she looks. Thank you. Happy birthday. And now we're married. Andrew's gone off to do some photography, and we're just here stealing her camera. When you see this drink edited, just know that there is unanswered beef between you and I. Oh, I'm coming for you. The what's gonna be? Andrea has been exposed.
You're exposed. You're exposed.
Andrea's been exposed. Being fake. I know the real secret between those beauty spots. The beauty spots. Oh. Don't cross me. Okay, well, my hand hurts, so I don't have to do this. Hey to you. Happy birthday, dear Victoria. Happy birthday. Yes.
Miss Victoria. Yeah.
Guys,
Hi guys.
it's my birthday.
For this occasion, don't get my jeans.
I'm gonna get her jeans. Well, I left my vlog camera at home. I didn't even but I left my... Did I take a picture?
Are you okay?
I don't know. I left my vlog camera at home. But Aisha took me out.
Okay, say hi.
Aisha took me out for dinner.
Stop it out.
We're at the Sanderson. It's really cute in here. We're outside. It's actually quite hot. I'm hot, you know.
I told you.
The heat is making me. This is my dress. It's from ASOS.
This looks dead, man.
I can't believe you just said that. Her dessert looks better than mine. I'm upset.
Andrea, this is how you stop. Stop drinking it. Stop drinking it.